Hundreds and thousands of Hindu Bhakts have got a second setback from the Supreme Court in just a matter of weeks. A three-judge bench led by the Chief Justice of India pushed back the date for Ram Mandir hearings by months altogether, saying the case wasn't a priority for the courts. The order has crushed hopes of a speedy resolution to a dispute that has been hanging fire in the judicial system for more than 120 years. Listen in to those who are pushing for an ordinance route.
उच्चतम न्यायालय सरकार की ओर इशारा कर रहा है कि जब आप SC/ST पर कानून बना सकते हो तो राम मंदिर पर क्यों नहीं कानून बना देते हो। एक महीने के अंदर मैं 1 महीने का टाइम देता हूं, कानून बना के राम मंदिर यदि बीजेपी सरकार नहीं बना रही है तो मुझे आत्मदाह करने के लिए बाध्य होना पड़ेगा।
That the way to Ram Janmabhoomi temple does not lie in an eternal wait of the Supreme Court hearing. We have requested the union government to now bring in a legislation. This may be done in the winter session of Parliament.
देखिए, पहली बात आपको हम बता दें कि हम राम मंदिर के मुद्दे को चुनाव से नहीं जोड़ते, या बातचीत से हो जाए। और रविशंकर प्रसाद रामलला के वकील भी थे अयोध्या में, इलाहाबाद हाईकोर्ट में, आपको पता है, तो वहां से हम जीत चुके हैं। वहां फैसला हो चुका है, जो रामलला विद्यमान है जहां, वो हिंदुओं को मिलना चाहिए। अब दूसरी पार्टी सुप्रीम कोर्ट में गई, बाकी लोग भी गए, तो बहुतों की अपेक्षा जल्दी सुनवाई होनी चाहिए।
इस आस्था के विषय में, श्रद्धा के विषय में कोर्ट का कोई काम नहीं है। तो राम मंदिर निर्माण अयोध्या में शुरू हो जाए, इसलिए जो सरकार है केंद्र में, उसने एक ऑर्डिनेंस निकालना चाहिए।
Now let's listen to what the opposition is saying. In fact, AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi has challenged the government to try and bring in an ordinance and warned them of intense backlash.
I challenge the BJP and the RSS to bring an ordinance on this issue. I want to see that is all these dog whistle politics which they are practicing right now. Let us see, whether they will do it or not.
The ordinances are decided by the executive government. So, if someone is asking for an ordinance, it's for the Prime Minister to respond, if he will respond at all to any issue.
जो भी निर्णय होगा उच्चतम न्यायालय का, उसको श्रद्धा से, सम्मान से हम सब स्वीकार करेंगे।
All right, let's open this up and go across to our guests who are joining us. We're joined by Sudesh Verma. He's the national spokesperson of the BJP. Gulresh Sheikh, RSS thinker, is also with us on the broadcast, along with senior journalist Ashutosh Mishra and Maulana Maqsoodul Hasan Kasmi. He's an Islamic scholar with me here in the studio. Let me first go across to Mr. Verma. Mr. Verma, we heard the Hindu organizations. We also heard what your opposition is saying. Asaduddin Owaisi is throwing an open challenge to the government, saying bring in an ordinance. But what does BJP stand? BJP क्या सोच रही है? BJP क्या करना चाह रही है?
Swati, Mr. Owaisi is not challenging, he is trying to provoke. His language is full of vitriolic poison, and this is what he is good at doing. You see, we can always feel that the court should have taken a stand or should have expedited the matter. There is no harm in doing that. We are not saying against the court. When the court can open to decide the fate of a terrorist because some NGOs felt that he needed to be given justice.
Sir, the question is very simple. Will you bring in an ordinance?
The seriousness with which the Ram temple needs to be taken should be taken which the people of this country feel. Which the people of this country feel. And now we have said, our stand has not changed, that we believe in judiciary and we want the judiciary to expedite the case.
So are you saying that the NDA government will not take the ordinance route?
You see, I am not saying anything. What I am saying is various sections of society have expressed the thing, expressed their frustration because they have participated in the Ram temple movement.
They are expressing their frustration.
They have lost their cadence life
and asking you a question.
So they are emotionally attached to that. So their statement should be seen in that context.
To bring in an ordinance for the construction of Ram Mandir. Mr. Owaisi is saying, कब तक डराएंगे आप राम मंदिर की बात कह करके?
I told you our stand remains the same.
So if your stand remains the same, which means you will wait for the judicial process to get over.
That claims to be Shiv Bhakt
and you will not bring in the ordinance.
That Ram temple decisions should be expedited.
Right. So you will wait for the judicial process to get over. Ordinance आप लोग नहीं लाएंगे फिर.
The point is that Ordinance, it is for the government to decide. We cannot speak on behalf of the government. But various demands have been made. It is for the government to decide if at all ordinance is needed, and if it is needed, when and where. We cannot speak on that. Our stand remains the same. It has not changed.
But then, okay, let me
But what I am saying is Congress has been thoroughly exposed.
Maulana Kasmi, but we did hear what Ravi Shankar Prasad had to say. Law Minister, top leader of the BJP, he said, हर कोई चाहता है कि फैसला जल्दी आए, हर कोई चाहता है कि सुनवाई अगर जल्दी हो जाती तो बेहतर रहता, अगर बातचीत से मसला हो जाता तब बेहतर होता. So clearly, as far as ordinance is concerned, BJP is not taking a clear stand.
Yes, first of all, the court priority should be given to the Honorable Supreme Court. Supreme Court only, Supreme Court final verdict will be acceptable to all Indian, to all true Indian citizens. And the vast majority is in favor of Supreme Court pronouncement on this long pending issues. But some people today are involving themselves in contempt of court. Some people are attacking court. This is not.
No, they are only saying expedite the judgment.
And sir, please, no, sir, no. You need to hear the voices that are coming from within the BJP.
In the court since
within the BJP.
The bar
demand is bring in a law, introduce a bill, bring in an ordinance. These are the demands and voices coming in from the BJP itself.
So this is up to them.
Swati, Supreme Court is not a trial court.
They also
in
can
any other case,
an
they would
ordinance.
have pronounced the judgment by now. If it is a land dispute, they just need to see the decision of the Allahabad High Court.
I am just trying to point out the different views that are coming in from within the BJP only. Let me also go across to Mr. Gulresh Sheikh. He's an RSS thinker. Mr. Gulresh Sheikh, in fact, the first ever such demand or a suggestion came in from Uttar Pradesh itself. वहां के डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर ने इस बात को पहले छेड़ा, उसके बाद कई और बीजेपी नेताओं ने इस पर अपनी बात रखी कि ऑर्डिनेंस आना चाहिए. मोहन भागवत साहब ने भी इसी आइडिया को पुश किया. एंड नाउ व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट बीजेपी स्टैंड, बिकॉज खुल करके ऑर्डिनेंस पर बीजेपी का कोई इस तरह का रिएक्शन आया नहीं अभी तक.
Swati, just give me time, the like of which you have given to others. Tonight, I am sure, and I think that Rahul Gandhi and his hitmen like Kapil Sibal or even others, they must be partying whole night because they were wanting that Ayodhya issue should go and after 2019, and the things are taking course in that direction only. But I am very much sure that the government of the day, they are planning and they are thinking on all the legal aspects by which we can solve this issue. And we all must be ashamed on one thing, that we all curse Kekai, who was responsible for sending Sri Ram to Vanvas for just 14 years. But we, the progeny of Rama, we have sent him to Vanvas for 500 long years. So I am sure the government is working. And why I am sure? Because this government, unlike Kapil Sibal, who want to postpone the judgment and even the court hearings,
are you suggesting that they are dictating the judicial process?
Ravi Shankar Prasad, who are advocate come minister, and who was also
they are dictating the judicial process?
The advocate of Ram Lalla.
And the government is working in which direction?
Along with RSS Swayam Sevak, I am also national media in charge of a Muslim organization, Muslim Rashtriya Manch, who has volunteers of 1 million. And all the Muslims, they want that Ram Lalla temple must be constructed at that site.
What about those who have approached the court
national
and
media
object
in charge
to it?
of a Muslim organization? I am saying this.
No, what about others? What about those who have approached the court and don't want? No. What about those who are objecting?
You cannot decide on the construction of Ram temple over the Babri Masjid, but it is the matter of the court. So how can you influence the court? How can you compel the court, sir?
Let me bring in. Okay, let me also bring in
the final pronouncement of the
Mishra.
court.
Ashutosh Mishra, is this a catch-22 situation for the BJP? Because on one hand, ये तो मुद्दा था चुनाव के वक्त बहुत बड़ा, इलेक्शन के वक्त, और अब हिंदू ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस जो हैं वो प्रेशर बना रहे हैं कि आप, और इनफैक्ट अल्टीमेटम दे रहे हैं कि अगर आप ऑर्डिनेंस नहीं लाएंगे तो आप देख लीजिए. इस तरह के थ्रेट्स पहले भी आए, कुछ डिमांड्स बीजेपी के भीतर से भी आ रही हैं.
So BJP right now, Swati, is stuck between a rock and a hard place. what it was hoping was that there will be something will happen in the Supreme Court which will help BJP fight the state elections in the name of Ram. But what is happening by delaying this decision till
how do you know what
January,
we were hoping? Say what you want to say.
What the Supreme Court has ensured is that it will take a judicious view based on a civil suit, and BJP will have to pay for its non-performance in economic and corruption issues. As far as right now, Mr. Verma was saying that it is a civil suit. So in that case, one person, the Nirmohi Akhada chief, who is
giving a motive to the Supreme Court judgment.
Part of the suit has very clearly said that he does not want the ordinance to be issued.
Supreme Court judgment,
he wants
which no one does that.
Settled like a civil suit.
What you are saying?
What is happening now is that all these RSS and BJP people, they first of all don't understand Ram. Ram was about following law, and every Hindu knows that the Ram temple will be built.
We don't have to listen to you, but to understand Ram.
Do we want it to be built?
Now this is one issue. आशुतोष मिश्रा, this is one issue जिस पर हर किसी ने अपनी राजनीतिक रोटी सेकी है. आप कांग्रेस का अब जो सॉफ्ट हिंदुत्व चेहरा सामने आ रहा है, आप उसको डिनाई नहीं कर सकते हैं. एक तरफ राहुल गांधी का सॉफ्ट हिंदुत्व चेहरा सामने आ रहा है, दूसरी तरफ इस पर्टिकुलर इश्यू को लेकर के उनका एक अलग स्टैंड हो जाता है. सो एवरीबडी इज ट्राइंग टू स्कोर अ पॉलिटिकल ब्राउनी पॉइंट. लेकिन हाँ, आज सवाल बीजेपी से इसलिए पूछा जाएगा क्योंकि आपका सबसे बड़ा ये एजेंडा था.
तो सुदेश वर्मा नहीं दिख रही है.
तो सुदेश वर्मा, दैट्स व्हाई दिस क्वेश्चन इज गोइंग टू बी आस्क्ड टू यू कि अब तो हिंदू ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस प्रेशर बना रहे हैं, आपके पार्टी के भीतर से लोग कह रहे हैं कि भाई मेजॉरिटी है हमारी, हमारे पास ताकत है, अगर हो सकता है SC/ST एक्ट में अगर आप ऑर्डिनेंस ला सकते हैं तो इसमें क्यों नहीं.
स्वाति जी थोड़ा सुन लीजिए मुझे भी. आशुतोष जी ने जो अभी बोला है वो कॉन्टेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट है. उन्होंने ये बोला कि कोर्ट चाहती है कि इकोनॉमिक इश्यूज पर पब्लिक डिसीजन ले, और इसीलिए डिसीजन को डेफर कर दिया. कोर्ट ने ऐसा नहीं किया है. हमने अभी तक कोर्ट के मोटिव को क्वेश्चन नहीं किया है. वी कैन ऑलवेज क्वेश्चन द डिसीजन, बट वी कैन नॉट क्वेश्चन द मोटिव.
को ट्विस्ट करने में लगे हैं.
कांग्रेसीज जॉन जस्टिस लोया
उसके सर पर ये मड़ के जिम्मेदारी, बात खत्म नहीं होगी.
यू डोंट हैव एनी रिस्पेक्ट फॉर एनी जुडिशरी.
यहां पे
पॉलिटिक्स ऑन एवरीथिंग व्हाट यू गेट, एंड दैट इज प्रिसाइजली योर प्रॉब्लम.
पॉलिटिक्स आप
इफ यू हैव द गट्स से दैट यस यू वांट राम टेंपल, कम टू द कोर्ट एंड गिव एन एफिडेविट. व्हाई यू आर नॉट डूइंग दैट?
झूठ बोल के
You are a fake Ram Bhakta.
मैंने कहा
Ram Bhakta, fake Ram Bhakta. It's about answering the questions that people are asking from you today. Okay, let me bring in Maulana Qasmi also. Sheikh साहब, मैं आपके पास आऊंगी right after Maulana Qasmi. Sheikh साहब, okay, Sudesh Verma, okay, I gave you enough opportunities to speak, sir. बाकियों को भी बोलने दीजिए, please. एक second, please. Maulana Qasmi, क्या आपको ये लग रहा है कि फिलहाल इस मुद्दे पर बीजेपी जो है वो थोड़ा सा कहीं ना कहीं बैकफुट पर जरूर नजर आ रही है? क्योंकि ये वादा तो किया था और बड़े बड़े नेताओं ने तक ये कहा था कि राम मंदिर वहां बनेगा, ये हमारा कमिटमेंट है, हम कोशिश करेंगे. बीच में थोड़ा स्टैंड बदला था कि जुडिशियल प्रोसेस से फिर ये आवाज आने लगी कि नहीं, ऑर्डिनेंस का रास्ता भी हमारे पास है, पार्लियामेंट का रास्ता भी हमारे पास है. लेकिन अभी जब ये सवाल पूछा जा रहा है, आर दे रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम आंसरिंग द क्वेश्चन?
देखिए, बीजेपी के इलेक्शन मैनिफेस्टो में भी राम मंदिर का इश्यू था, वो चाहते थे कि बनाया जाए. लेकिन मुझे अब ये लग रहा है कि जब मैटर इज सब जुडिस, when they will bring an ordinance, it will be challenged and will go into court. So they cannot bring the ordinance right now, and they don't have majority in the both houses of the parliament. They don't have majority in Rajya Sabha, so they cannot bring legislation as well. So today BJP is also facing difficulty.
Okay, BJP is facing difficulty, says Maulana Qasmi. Gulresh Sheikh, I'll come to you for a response right after a short break. Sir, एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद लौटेंगे इसी बहस पर, बने रहिए हमारे साथ. Welcome back. Our guests continue to be with us. सीधे उन्हीं के पास चलते हैं. Let's go across to Mr. Gulresh Sheikh. Mr. Gulresh Sheikh, one, your response to what we heard from Maulana Qasmi before the break, and to what is RSS now going to say about this, about the BJP's stand, which is not very clear, but लेकिन हाँ दबे शब्दों में ये जरूर वो कह रहे हैं कि जुडिशियल प्रोसेस पूरा होने का वो वेट कर रहे हैं.
See, I have already told you, we believe that the government is working on all the aspects, all the legal aspects which can facilitate the construction of भव्य राम मंदिर. लेकिन जहां तक कि इन लोगों ने कहा, मैं आपको स्पष्ट रूप से कहना चाहता हूं कि यदि ओवैसी जैसे या आजम खान जैसे लोग बीच में नहीं आते और इसको विवाद नहीं बनाते तो अभी तक तो म्यूचुअल कंसर्न से ही ये मुद्दा जो है वो सॉल्व हो गया होता.
नहीं, लेकिन गुलरेज शेख जी आप कह रहे हैं कि गवर्नमेंट सारे लीगल ऑप्शंस देख रही है.
पहली बार ये बात नहीं कह रहा हूं.
नहीं, आप कह रहे हैं कि गवर्नमेंट सारे लीगल ऑप्शंस देख रही है. सुदेश वर्मा भी यही कह रहे हैं. तो फिर ये ऑर्डिनेंस की बात कहां से आ जा रही है?
पूरी अपेक्षा है.
नहीं, फिर ये ऑर्डिनेंस की बात कहां से आ जा रही है? अगर हर कोई लीगल प्रोसेस का वेट कर रहा है कि जुडिशियल प्रोसेस पूरा होने पे और जो सुप्रीम कोर्ट तय करेगा वैसा ही होगा, तो फिर ये ऑर्डिनेंस की बात कौन उठा रहा है और कहां से आ रही है?
देखिए, ऑर्डिनेंस लाना या बिल लाना ये भी जो होता है वो लीगल प्रोसेस का ही अंग होता है. और चूंकि ये राम सेवकों की और राम भक्तों की सरकार है, जिसके एक मंत्री तो मिस्टर रविशंकर प्रसाद जो हैं वो तो रामलला के वकील रह चुके हैं स्वयं भी, तो हमको पूरा विश्वास है कि लीगल प्रोसेस जिसको मैं कह रहा हूं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल वे में
तो एक ऐसा ब्रॉड टर्म है ना,
फैसिलिटेशन हो सकता है कंस्ट्रक्शन का. हमको विश्वास है कि ये सरकार कर रही है.
वो तो एक बड़ा ब्रॉड सा टर्म है. आप या तो स्पेसिफिकली कहिए कि आपकी अपेक्षा है, आप चाहते हैं कि ऑर्डिनेंस लाइए.
देखिए, अपेक्षा तो सभी हिंदुओं की और सभी मुसलमानों की है कि किसी तरह से भी भव्य राम मंदिर का निर्माण हो जाए. एक मुस्लिम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन मुस्लिम राष्ट्रीय मंच जिसके 1 मिलियन से ज्यादा कार्यकर्ता है, उसका रिप्रेजेंटेटिव बैठा हूं मैं आपके सामने, उसका नेशनल मीडिया इंचार्ज बैठा हूं.
एक रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हमारे यहाँ पर मौलाना कासमी साहब भी है.
कंस्ट्रक्शन जिस तरह से भी हो जाए वो हो जाए.
No. You, for God's sake, don't project as the anti-Ram.
See, we
are not against Shri Ram. We are not against Shri Ram. We are also not against Ram Mandir. But the matter today is sub judice. And the Ram temple, where it will be built, it will be decided by the Honorable Supreme Court. And you have to produce the proof and solid proof before the court on the existence of the Ram temple where the Babri Masjid used to be.
Sudesh Verma, the questions that people are asking not just within your party but from the Hindu organizations are, for how long will Hindus wait for a Ram Mandir? Hindus can't wait till eternity for the Mandir to be constructed. How is BJP taking all this? And can BJP really, can it really take the risk of upsetting them?
Report which shows that there was a temple and there was a grand temple. So what you want
BJP
to say
being a part of the Ram temple agitation, no party or party leader is in a better position than the BJP to appreciate the concerns of the Ram Bhakt or Hindus all across the country. If any party that is committed to building Ram temple, that is the BJP, and we don't have to even say that. People know about this. And we have said, because court, we have to abide by the court, but we do feel that the court could have taken it on an urgent basis, because 2011 this matter came, this matter is hanging fire, and this issue is, the entire community is charged up. The court, why should the court not expedite as it does in other cases also?
No, but then the question people are asking you is, you were hoping कि ये एक्सपेडाइट हो जाएगा, अब वो नहीं हो रहा, तो लोग आपकी पार्टी के अंदर से और बाहर जो हिंदू ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, जिनका ये कहना है कि आपको इस बेसिस पे उन्होंने वोट दिया कि आप राम मंदिर बनाएंगे, वो आपको अल्टीमेटम दे रहे हैं. And they are saying, अगर आप SC/ST एक्ट में ऑर्डिनेंस लेकर के आए तो आप इसमें क्यों नहीं ला रहे हैं? My question is, how are you going to tackle that? And you will have to ultimately come forward and clear your stand कि आपको ऑर्डिनेंस पर क्या लगता है. साफ ये आपको अपनी बात रखनी जरूर पड़ेगी. On that note, thanking all my guests. इतना ही समय था इस बहस के लिए. I'm completely out of time for this debate, but thank you for joining us.